Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to trade meme coins on Solana 3 different ways. If you've already got a Solana wallet and funds on the chain, you can skip ahead in the video. I'll leave timestamps in the description down below. If not, I'll help you get set up and get some funds on the chain. So the first thing that you'll need to do to get set up is head over to phantom.app and download the wallet there. Once you've downloaded it, you should be able to create a new wallet. And when you do this, you'll be given a seed phrase. That seed phrase allows anyone to be able to restore that wallet elsewhere. It's basically the key to get into your crypto wallet. So write that down somewhere. If you lose it, you won't be able to get your funds back. So once you've got that up and running, it should look something like this. And the next step is to get some Solana into your wallet. And that Solana is going to pay for your transactions on the Solana blockchain. So you're going to need to go to whatever exchange that you have that offers Solana. For today's video, I'm on Bitstamp. It's quite a reliable exchange. Once you've done that, we need to withdraw this SOL into your Phantom wallet. So I went to the withdrawal tab on Bitstamp, went to crypto withdrawal, and then we're going to type in Solana here. Press continue. And so we need to find our Phantom address in order to send that SOL to. So I'll click on the Phantom app, go up here and then click this button here, and that will copy our Solana address there, paste it in here, and then send all of the SOL available into that wallet. And so now that you have funds on Solana, we're ready to buy some meme coins. So you can head over to Dexscreener.com. And then once we're on this website, we'll just click on Solana here and it will take you to this page. And so you'll be able to see like various different meme coins actually pop up. And what I've got this filtered to currently is the highest liquidity in the trending tab. So we can see here that Fartcoin, Chill Guy, Griffane, Memes AI, those kind of coins are doing quite well, but you can change these filters to like anything that you would like. So you could see the top gainers for the past 24 hours and you're just going to see some crazy tokens here. So I'm just going to change this back to trending and then I'm going to filter by highest liquidity. So here you have liquidity and a market cap on the right as well. And if you want to actually see a chart for each of these tokens, I'm just going to choose Chill Guy, for example. You can click on the icon and it will show you how price has been trading. So you'll get a chart similar to what you might see with TradingView, and then obviously you can just change the time as you would like, slap some indicators on it and that kind of thing as well. So if you actually wanted to go ahead and start actually buying this token, you can navigate over to the right hand side of the screen here where it says buy. Now I'm just going to click buy here, and then I'm going to buy 0.1 SOL. I'm going to set my slippage to 2%. So the slippage basically dictates how far away you're actually going to get from the actual price of Chill Guy. If you set your slippage to like 10%, it's likely that you're going to buy 10% above the price of Chill Guy. If you set it to 2%, it's more likely that you're going to buy max 2% above Chill Guy. When it comes to meme coins like this, oftentimes you're going to have to set your slippage quite high, but because this coin is fairly liquid, I think I should be good with just a 2% slippage here. So I'm going to press buy. It's going to connect to my Phantom wallet here, and I'm just going to have to press confirm. And then I should receive a minimum of 67 Chill Guy. So if now I just open up my wallet, and I just scroll down, there we go. I've got 68 Chill Guy in my wallet. And if I wanted to sell it, I just go on to sell, and let's just sell 100% of my Chill Guy. So I'm just going to press sell here. I'm going to press confirm. And there we go. There's a notification. And now just checking out my wallet, I've got no Chill Guy in my wallet. And so the second way to trade meme coins on Solana is by going to dupe.ag. So Jupiter is a DEX aggregators. So effectively they take all of the decentralized exchanges across Solana and then they will choose the best route for you to trade in and out of a coin so you get the best price. So if we go over to here, we can see that it's saying you're selling USDC for SOL. I'm going to change this to Sol into, let's just choose Chill Guy again. So there we go, and press swap. And then we can confirm. And it looks like I'm getting 68 Chill Guy. So if I look at my wallet now, I got 68 Chill Guy. Great. So I'm just going to sell this Chill Guy back into Sol and press confirm. Awesome. And so now I've got no more Chill Guy in my wallet. And so the last way I wanted to talk about today is actually going to this Ape tab here on Jupiter Aggregator. So if we just click this, it will take us to Ape.pro. So Ape.pro is probably one of the better ways to trade meme coins on Solana. And so when you initially open up this website, it will prompt you to deposit funds to an address so you can start trading. We can go over here to the top right. And this is the deposit address. You'll have an individual one for yourself, but I have to deposit funds onto this address to get it credited to my Ape.pro account. So I am just going to go up here to my Phantom wallet, press send. We're going to send just one Sol over. And this should happen very quickly. So there we go. I've got 1.878 Sol in this account now. And so the reason why I think Ape.pro is probably one of the best places to go is that it works very similarly to Dexscreener. And so you have different options to filter by liquidity, filter by market cap, price, and other things like that as well. But over here on the right, it has a checklist. And so typically you're going to want all 4 of these categories to tick green in this checklist because it means that this meme coin is less likely to rug you. It's less likely that the developer is going to print a bunch of tokens. So I'm just going to search for Chill Guy again. And so you can search for any tokens that you would like up here as well. I'm just going to search for Chill Guy again. And so now I'm just going to buy and sell some Chill Guy for you. So I'm going to buy 0.1 Sol. And there we go. I've bought some Chill Guy. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Links to anything I mentioned will be in the description down below, and subscribe for more videos like this one.